Okay, so this is what we did on the 29th of August. We go 7 and 8, step back, in, turn and face, turn, curve, offer, in and step, forward, turn and out, free spin, collect, down, up, round, down. Then we move on to part 2. Offer the hand, grab and back, switch, back, turn, the room and back into the sway. Now the catapult block, round, over, lock, free spin. Turn out. Then we have the last part. It's back, in, and back. Now the Colombian. Kick, cross, slide. And that was our routine. Okay, so here's our first move. So right to right to start. Starting off with an open yo-yo, so step away. Stepping into its right arm jumps over the top of the lady's arm. We then turn the ladies all the way round and we come round to face. Then going into a cone, we turn the ladies round. So we spoke about the fact you kind of squeeze the man's shoulder. And then you can do whatever you wish. Hip rolls, wiggles, it's entirely up to yourself, okay? But then connect it double-handed for the left-handed arm roll. Lower the right hand, raise the left. We come through, we follow up arm as we step forward. You keep this right hand low as you step forwards for the ladies. Inside turn, we square up to our palms, the ladies then turn out. Going into the free spin, then you take your right shoulder back. We collect behind the back of our partners as we come in nice and close. Do a small step to our right hand side. We stand the ladies back up, collect behind the back of the ladies, pivot round, then we're going to repeat that from the other side. So we take that step down, standing up, and then collect. As we do the slingshot, we're going to collect the spare hand, ready for the second part, which is our basket switch. So we wrap our palms into our right hand side, we go back, we go into the switch, we step across the slot, bring our palms back. We slightly round the ladies up, push that left hand slightly further forward. Ladies, keep your feet together. As many pull down, we swap hands, we pivot and gently push, and then we step out to the side. Onto the sway with a turn out. So you step in, wrap your partner in, bracelet hold. Push with this left hand, pull back with the right. We pivot round and stepping out to the left hand side. Catapult block, pull down and raise, and block your partner. Step across the slot, then right hand goes onto that right shoulder, and release the right hand. Gently pull back on your left, we block our partner's left forearm with our right hand. Transfer the weight to the right hand side. Wrap your partner in, remember, legs should be in front of the man's right foot, feet together, hook behind the man's back, left hand chaps between the lady's shoulder blades, right hands on the lady's hip. We're going to do the lean together, so we all step as one. Whoosh. Stand the ladies back up, turning out, and do the slingshot but off that left hand side. Still, right hand now then goes onto the lady's left shoulder. You pull back on your right hand, raise the left hand, lower the left hand down onto your right shoulder. The ladies are going to do the little head roll underneath. You then release both the hands and we catch ready for our Colombian. We step in. We want to be in frame, so remember men, right hand pointing down to the floor, change that left hand grip up into ball grip, ladies left hand onto the man's shoulder underneath. We step back and then back on the left, ladies back on the right. So we're going to come round to face our partner, then we step behind, then we step in face, then we step in front. We're going for the kick, cross, slide. So gentle kick, cross, slide. Twist your partner out, slingshot, and step back. And that was our routine. The 29th of August. We hope you enjoyed it.